Bonjour.
Ciao.
Hello. Today we're going to make the rotisserie chicken pappardelle pasta. Pappardelle pasta.
Right.
Egg pappardelle number 101, made in Italy. Like me.
This is a really fragile noodle.
Mwah. Looks like tortilla chips.
So to use this, we want to use a kind of light sauce with it, right? So we decided to serve it with chicken. We're going to put chicken in there.
Rotisserie chicken. Can you see? Hold up my chickens.
All right.
Ah.
Okay.
Pasta resistance.
All right.
Let me see that beautiful chicken.
Look at that chicken. I bought this today at Sam's Club.
I could eat that right now just looking like that. Right there.
And he's been thinking about it. He's going to pick at it, but I wanted to show it to you first. We're going to use part of the chicken breast here to put on top of the pasta.
And she's still warm, no?
Yeah, it's still warm. And I'm also going to use some nice Zima tomatoes. These are called Sunset. Kind of like cherry tomato style. We're going to cut them in half and put them in the mix. Then we're going to top it off with some pesto sauce. I'm not using the whole jar real heavy. We're going to mix it with some of the starch water from boiling the pasta. And then we're going to top it off with some Parmesan Reggiano, my favorite. We're just going to grate some on. And
Home grated.
It's going to be so delicious. So we're both going to work on this. I'm going to start by cutting up some chicken. And we're going to put it on the stove with the pesto.
I wanted to tell you the word pappardelle comes from the verb papper. In Italian that means to gobble. Mwah.
We got the right guy here for that.
I like to say mange. Mange. Let's get started. Time to eat.
All right.
Whatever language it is.
Well, you want to get that water boiling and I'll cut up
We'll
some
get that
nice
water boiling.
chicken. Ooh, look how nice and tender this is. Oh, show them this up close. It's juicy. Oh my gosh, you're going to have a taste,
I'm
Rick.
going to have a taste.
Here.
Mange.
All right, we're going to slice this up.
Warm, tender.
Nice.
Let me get over that stove. Nah. Slice of the meat now. What a good flavor.
Yeah, it smells really good. All right, we're going to use some of this for another recipe too.
Sandwiches.
Well, I think that's probably enough for that amount of pasta, right?
I'm gaining too much weight. Tomorrow we're having sandwiches.
Okay, let's get your pasta going over there.
All right. Put a little salt to my water. And this pappardelle is similar to fettuccine, to white fettuccine noodles, but lighter. And like I said before, they almost look to me like a little tortilla chip. That was a long one, I broke it.
It's really fragile, right?
Fragile. It's Italian. I'm using 3 quarts of water here. Coming up to a rapid boil. Here we go. Careful with them. Did you ever have these? Oh, they're like little nests.
They're number 101, so they're really the finest one.
30 millimeter longer. 101. I'm going to get my sliced chicken. This smells so good. Add it to this pan. Put this on medium. Get it warmed up a little more. Pesto.
I'm going to add some pesto to this.
Hey, where did I go?
Hey, you've got something going on here. We're busy. Okay, I'm going to shake this up because we're not going to use the whole jar, but you can you see that close, all the garlic and Parmesan in there. There's already cheese in that and a lot of basil, of course, with olive oil.
Pesto.
Yeah. So, can you see this close up, Rick? I'm going to get some of the nice, tasty pesto out here. Can you smell the garlic?
Yeah.
Okay, we're only going to use about half the jar.
It's steamy.
The pasta's almost finished. I'm going to take some of the water out of here and put it in with the chicken. So this is some water that has some starch in it, and it makes it a little bit thicker than just adding water.
Is that from Martha Stewart?
Oh, this is
What
from
was
Bobby
Martha's?
Flay.
Oh, what was Martha's idea? I forget.
I know all those chefs do that because it's a good technique.
Yes, chef.
Okay.
Manja.
I don't want to break the chicken up too much, but I want to get it like it's in a sauce that we can pour over top. See, it looks so nice already, right?
Yeah, sort of steamed.
I think your 6 minutes are almost up, huh?
6 minutes.
You keeping an eye on the
6
time?
minutes. No, I forgot to look.
Okay, that's about right.
How's my noodles?
Let's test them,
Are they
okay?
all canoodled? Throw it against the wall.
Oh no, we're not gonna do that. Oh,
You-
woo!
You're gonna taste that?
Oh my God!
What are you doing?
I'm trying to hang on to it.
Pappardelle.
Okay.
Gobble.
Gobble. Let's taste it.
Pappardelle.
See how it tastes.
Pappardelle. Pappardelle. There's two different pronunciations.
Let's see.
Where are you going?
It's a little firm yet.
Put it back in.
A couple more minutes.
Look what happened to your piece. I'll take a bite. Where is it?
See, it's a little firm to you.
Let's see. It's good. Why does it have a flavor already?
Because,
I don't mind it.
oh, a little bit more. Check this. And that's a nice sauce. Oh,
And we're going to eat this, aren't we?
yes. I'm going to cut up some tomatoes while we're
Oh,
waiting.
yeah, all right.
Okay, I think we're ready here with the pasta. Look, I'm going to show you how transparent it is. See how you can see right through it?
Yeah.
This is why it's such a fragile, delicate noodle.
Fragile.
Okay, Rick, can you get the water off of that? Would you mind stirring the chicken back here? It's starting to bubble.
See, I'm a cook.
Yeah.
Yes, chef.
Yes, you're a good cook.
Yes, chef.
Okay, you can kill the heat on that one too.
Time to eat. You know, it's time to eat. It's always time to eat.
Who's that guy?
Who's that guy?
Be careful, those handles are hot.
Yes, I'm going to use pot holders. I'm
On
going
our-
to pour them in here, right? I'm gonna
Yeah.
pour the water out.
Yeah.
Into the sink.
Strain them and then you can put it right back in the La Creuset.
We're from France.
I can't be from France and Italy.
Mips. Why not?
I guess you could.
Fertily. Fritalian. Put it all in there.
Yeah, get it?
I don't want to lose any. Look at them.
Oh, nice.
Love it.
It looks like more than I thought.
Should I put that right back on the stove?
Yes,
hot.
don't put it on the counter.
I'm learning.
Okay, quick.
Put these.
Yep.
Ah, I'd like a pound of butter on that. Now, this.
Okay, gently pour that across the top.
Introduce the chicken and pesto to the pappardelle. Pappardelle, this is the chicken and the pesto.
Spread it all around so we don't have to stir it too much.
Yes, chef. How's that?
That looks great. Use it all. That looks wonderful. Now take those tomatoes that I chopped up over there in the cup.
And this is with the heat off right now. We're just using residual heatage. Put these right in.
Yeah. Toss them around. Yummy.
It's like a holiday.
Okay, let's take it over to the table
It
so
matches the pan.
Yeah,
Oh, look.
nice colors. A lot of steam here.
Here we go. Don't forget your pot holders.
Yeah, we need them.
Now is the time.
Okay, now we got to get that cheese grated on there.
You can do that.
Okay.
That's a knuckle buster.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, look at this gorgeous piece of Parmesan Reggiano. Look, the rind on here, we're going to use that for some soup later.
Cheese soup?
Oh my gosh. You know when we go to an Italian restaurant and they say, would you like some cheese?
Tell me when, and you never want to say when.
And Rick never tells them to stop.
And they look at me.
Like now,
I
sir?
don't want to say when. Just leave
Can
it
I
here.
say now? Don't worry, I'll put some on your own bowl too, Rick.
Wouldn't that be nice if they just left it there?
I know. We would have a great time with that. Okay, should I put some in a bowl for
Sure,
you?
I want to eat some. What's this called?
This is rotisserie chicken.
Pappardelle.
Thank you, because
Pappardelle.
oh, look at all that pesto sticking to that. Nice chunks of chicken. My mouth is watering.
Darn, I should have made bread again, right? Had that bread machine and it's so easy, but you gotta think 3 hours ahead. But it's always good to smell fresh homemade bread in your kitchen. With a nice pasta meal like this.
Oh boy.
Pasta work, get your friends over here to eat some.
Okay, let's put some extra cheese on, okay?
Oh yeah, that's
Okay.
hot.
Let's go pull that away a little bit. Would you like some cheese, Sarah?
Yes.
Parmesan Reggiano?
Is it fresh?
It's Italian.
Oh.
There, I gave you a lot.
Thank you. Okay, where's my fork? Where's my eating fork? Right there.
Where's your fork?
I heard that call. I heard the forks clanging.
We're going to taste it before you go away.
And there's meat in there too.
Oh, look at that noodle.
Oh, there's a mouthful. I want some chicken. Hey, cheers.
Oh, sorry. Cheers.
I like eating.
That's nice pasta. Do you think? That fresh cheese makes a big difference.
The cheese, it feels like it's melting in there.
And a nice roasted chicken.
An orange piece of tomato. What's the name of that tomato? Why is it orangish?
Sunset, I think it's called.
Perfect timing.
Beautiful.
Try this. You find that by the spaghetti, right?
Yeah, it was in the spaghetti aisle. Look for number 101. Nice
What a
and light.
different treat. And you know they got those rotisserie chickens for like
$4.88.
$4 or $5.
Sam's Club, I think, has really nice ones.
And you have all this left over for another meal.
Yeah, there's plenty there.
Look, we just love picking at these. Thanks again. Please stop back soon and pass the word to all your friends. Please subscribe. We're a new channel.
Yep.
And we're glad you're here.
Yes, we are.
We're glad you're eating with us.
See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Bye.